Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to be discussing FreepplMoney.win. Terrible name, and it is a site I am very suspicious of. So, they're saying if you invest $250 or $500 or $800, you are able to turn that into a healthy profit of about $800 back. So the first mistake here is if you do decide to invest $800, well then you're only going to get $800 back. And that's what they're saying. It makes no sense. You might see these figures here to the right. I'm sure you do. And yeah, I don't hold out too much hope for any of this being real, because they all have the same name. Like, the name is user. You know, it's just what? Ridiculous. It makes no sense. So I'm pretty happy that that's fake as well. What else? I mean, it's a scam site, guys. You know, they're not paying anyone. I haven't seen a single review of anyone being paid, any evidence of anyone being paid. It's nonsense. This site has another of things missing, like the facts. They have no facts here. They have no privacy policy. They've no earnings disclaimer. I mean, there's nothing on the site. All they want, it just looks to me to be a phishing site. And of course, they would love to get some cash out of you. It's not happening. This is a blatant scam site. It's beyond obvious. Okay, so they were set up on, if you go to whos.com, you'll see they were set up on 14th of the 10th, 2017, and they expire same date in 2018. Okay, so a website that's only online for 1 year. No, that's not a good sign. There's no name for the owner. Another bad sign. It's from Panama. A lot of scams recently coming out from Panama. But if we do an IP trace, it is likely that they're from somewhere else. Okay. There's no email for support either. Like, there's no transparency. No one knows who these people are. There's videos on YouTube saying, "Hey, you can hack this PayPal thing. Just put in this amount of money, and you'll get advertising fees back." It's just bogus. In my opinion, it's not real. In my opinion, it's fake. And in my opinion, I recommend you don't go with these guys, okay? People have already been scammed. My site is receiving reports of people already being scammed. I don't recommend them, okay? If you know a story about this website, why am I still on Whois? I'm sorry, guys. I just daydreamed right there. No, not want to go there. Thank you. Sorry about that. Okay, if you have a story about this site, maybe they stole your money. Please leave it in the comment section below, because it will help other people tremendously. If you gave them your PayPal address, don't freak out too much. Okay, that's not that much of a problem. Just change your password and set up what's it called, 2FA. Or is it 2AF? God damn, I can't remember. Alright, it's, what is it called? Two-factor authentication. That's the one. 2FA, okay? So, they will send you a code to your phone if someone is in your account. And then you type in the code, obviously, and then they'll know that the other person, obviously, is not you. And they will lock them out, okay? You can set this up for your Google Plus account as well. And that is really it, guys. Oh, look at this. I'm glad now they've done this, because this is ridiculous. It's like something from the 90s. This is a pure con, all part of it. I wasn't even touching the screen here, and it just redirected me to this blatant scam page. It's so scammy. I'm delighted it's popped up whilst making this video. So, no good. No good. Okay. What else can I tell you about these guys? Not really much else, actually. Just please comment, like, subscribe, and share for more. Or just do one of any of them. I know there's a lot of action to take there. But do something good. Come on, comment or like, okay? And do subscribe. Definitely subscribe, because I'm coming out with tons of scams. Not to scam people. Tons of videos exposing these scams online, okay? So you don't want to miss them. And many of these scam sites have not been exposed on YouTube as of yet. So it'll be somewhat of a scoop for many of these videos to come. Thank you very much for your time. There is a link in the description box for your consideration. If you want to know more about it, you have to ask me, okay? Thanks a lot, guys, and take care.